So as you can see, the walkways here are their landscape with cactus and like the rock, and definitely a desert, Mexican desert type of theme here. It is pretty cool, and even the architecture and everything kind of reminds me of the ranch, like a desert ranch type of setup. So it looks really cool. I do like that. I like when Disney picks a theme, they really go with it. And look, here's where you can tie up your horse. Just like Caribbean Beach Resort, there's a lot of walking on this one. If you stay at one of the buildings that's not in the tower, it's like a half a mile to walk towards the main building and where the restaurants and stuff is. It's one of those things about the moderate resorts that you're either gonna love or you're gonna hate that it's spaced out. So I kind of like it spaced out. I hate it when people are stacked right on top of each other, but at the same time, if you have mobility issues or it's really hot, or if you get caught in the rain, then expect to do a lot of walking at this resort. So there's pros and cons, but if you're a runner and you like to run a little trail in the morning, this also has a great little trail here. I think it's about a mile long, and that is where we're going, in the middle of the lake, to get some food. And it's kind of the center of the whole resort. So I think it's called Three Bridges. 3 bridges to get there, so that's pretty cool. This is supposed to be pretty good food here. I'm about to try it out and see, but it is really cool because it's kind of like in the middle of the lake in its own little island area. And we're at Villa del Lago.
For an appetizer, I got the chips and the Mexican street corn dip, which is delicious. As you can see, it disappeared pretty quickly. And then look, you can see a hidden Mickey on the table, so look for that. Now, I got the burger, and it was really good with fries. And then there's also tacos that you can get, and they're cute little tacos here, which was really light. And then churros for dessert. Can't resist those. Oh, so good.
Heading over to the pool area now. It doesn't look like it's too busy. You have your volleyball net over here, so you can play volleyball. And then it looks like the pool's over here, but before we go, I see that they're having some recreational offerings. They have decorate your own plaster, Mickey tie-dye, and they also have make your own slime on Saturday. And the pool is open 10 to 10 p.m. So let me just go ahead and do a walk around. So this is pretty cool. It has like a Mayan temple on it, and like the fountain coming out over it. And then there's a slide over there. All right, coming up over here is a playground area, and it looks like it is open, so that is a good sign. There is places to play ping pong over here. You got a spider up there on the back of a pyramid. Little playground here. Giant head to play in. All right, I was told I have to go on the slide. This is really cool. It looks like you're in a pyramid for sure.
Okay, now we are going to head on over to the Grand Destino Tower, which is where you do your check-in in the main lobby, and there are some rooms over in this area. Now we are heading up into the main lobby up these steps. And here is a wonderful workspace area. You can sit here with a laptop or anything and do your work, because this is a main convention center area. So there are a lot of business meetings and stuff. This is a perfect room for business meetings. It's like a little conference room near the lobby. There are so many little nooks and crannies where you can go and sit and relax in the lobby area. And look at this view. This is gorgeous. This is a moderate resort. In the lobby area, there's plenty of places to sit down and relax and wait or get some work done. These are little workstations that they have a place where you can sit down that are perfect for laptops, and they have plugs and USB ports connected to the lamp. And these are little couches that also have USB ports and plugs connected to it, so you can charge your phone and everything while you wait. So there's plenty of options to charge things here. And you have a beautiful view right there looking down. And if you head back here, you go to the fitness room, which is the gym. And here's your fitness room. It has a lot of your standard equipment and for working out, and it looks like they're sanitizing everything. I did not get to stay at the main tower. All the rooms were already reserved, so I am going to head over to my room and do a room tour across the bridge and head on over to my room. Okay, so this is a standard room in the Rancho's building. And so this is pretty cool. You walk in and I see the Disney magic with the Mickey towels. Look at that on the bed. So cute. It's been a while since I've been to a resort that had the Mickey towels. So I'm really excited to see those, especially since they don't do housekeeping every day now. So it's cool to see that. And then if you look on the back wall, it has the decor, and it reminds me so much of the Three Amigos ride at Epcot at the Mexican Pavilion, because it has the singing birds and Donald Duck, and it looks so cool. So we have the Three Amigos over here and this cool painting with the cactuses, and also are almost like Aztec type of design, and a corner chair. So that's nice. This is a moderate resort. So this is not a value resort, this is a moderate resort. So we have our coffee maker and some tea, it looks like. So that is good. We have our things for our ice, for the ice machine. And you have this whole workspace here, which is excellent because you can have your laptop and you have space to work. So if you're on a business trip, and there's tons of conventions at this resort right here, so this is perfect. You get to sit down and get some work done. And there's USB ports, which are very important in my opinion, because it is awesome that Disney is putting USB ports everywhere. They are essential to life now because all the electronic devices need charging. You have your mini fridge down here. It is your basic mini fridge, so nothing too fancy there. There's plenty of space and storage. Have a huge flat screen TV that is on a swivel, so this bed can watch it, or this bed can watch it at whichever location you choose to sleep in. So that's cool. These are big TVs, really cool. And your full length mirror, ignore the luggage and the cute dino stuff. And like all of Disney fancy hotels, there's the barn doors that will lead you into the lavatory, the bathroom. Ooh, ah. All right, we have our extra pillow and blanket. You have your closets to hang up stuff and for dry cleaning here. Your luggage rack, I see an iron and an ironing board, so you do have to take that out, so it doesn't have the fancy pull-outs, but that's okay. It is still pretty cool. You have your double sinks here with a huge mirror with the LED lights around, so that is very nice for when you're doing your makeup in the morning, along with your vanity mirror, which is standard in every Disney resort now, it seems. I love those things. I need one at home. And then you have storage actually underneath, which is nice. Got a little bit of room down there. I can stick my makeup or things like that. And of course you have your H2O Disney Essentials. So for moderate, apparently you get a shower cap, mouthwash, your lotions, and then your soaps. Love the soaps. They're really cool. You can usually buy them at the gift shop too if you did not know that. You have some more storage over here. And I didn't see the hair dryer. Ooh, that is a question. Where is the hair dryer? We're playing the game. Where's the hair dryer now? And it is not there. And it is under sink number 2. The hair dryer is hidden there. All right, this door is kind of crazy because if you look at it, look at this handle right here. I'm a little distracted by it. So it's a sliding pocket door, but for this one, in order to open it so you can't grab it like that, you have to press this button and a little handle pops out. It is a standard bathroom with a tub and the shower. You have your H2O, the pump soaps here, which is standard in the moderate resorts that they have that. And then you have your shower right here.